Okay, here is a problem on average speed calculation. A student walks to school along the path shown from school to his home. If the total time of travel was 40 minutes, find his average speed in kilometer per minute. So look at the diagram. This is the starting point, initial point, and final position is here. We have to find out the average speed. And how do you find out the average speed? As you remember, it is the total distance traveled divided by total time taken. So total distance divided by total time. So we need to calculate the total distance, and we also need to calculate the total time. Total time is already known to us. So this is nothing but 40 minutes, and we need to calculate the total distance. So let me just redraw the diagram here. Okay. So this distance I to f, actual path length, has to be calculated. That is right. So now what is that total distance is equal to? The student starts from I. First he travels a distance which is equal to radius. Is that correct? So from this point to this point, the distance he travels is equal to radius. Then he covers 3/4 of the circle. So 3/4 of the circumference. So it becomes r plus 3 pi r divided by 2. This is the total distance traveled. Let us simplify this one. I can take r outside and it becomes r into 2 plus 3 pi divided by 2. So r has gone outside. We are left with 1 plus 3 pi by divided by 2. And if I take that r also 2 also outside, it becomes r by 2 into 2 plus 3 pi. So average speed is equal to total distance, which is r by 2 into 2 plus 3 pi whole divided by time taken. I will call it as t. Let us substitute for this one. R is 0.7 divided by 2 plus 3 pi whole divided by 40, because all the calculations are to be in terms of kilometer per minute. So let's simplify it further. 0.7 divided by 80 into 2 plus, this is 3 into 3.14. That's right. So further simplification gives us 0.7 divided by 80 into. So what does it simplify to? You can notice that we have 3 into 3.14. How much is that? 9.42. Correct? Plus 2. That's equal to 11.42. If we simplify it further, 11.42 into 0.7, how much is that? 10.82. So 10.82 divided by 80. So divided by 80, that gives us 0.135 kilometer per minute. This is the average speed of the student.